Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechAns. So today I will show you how to get which Disney are you filter on your Instagram application. And if you want to get this new update, first of all check if you are using the new version of Insta app or not. So once you check it and then click to open this Instagram application. So now in this homepage section, you can press this your story icon and it is placed at almost top of left side corner. Now my mobile camera is automatically turned on and this is normal mode, but you can tap this camera icon from right side to left side and then go to the last effects and it asks for browse effects. So just click to open it and then search which Disney filter in this search bar section. And it shows some Insta usernames, so you can select any one of the user, and this user already make this Disney character. So if you want to access this Disney character filter, by simply press try it option and it shows some Disney from this user. So if you tap from right side to left side, so it has the lots of Disney from various Insta users. So you can select your favorite one. So finally this filter starts to ready. So otherwise, if you want to save this filter to your Instagram, just press this arrow mark from which Disney option and it shows save effect. So once you press this option, it automatically saved to your Insta effects. So if you like my video, just give the likes and subscribe. So otherwise, just put a comment to improve my quality. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechAns, and thanks for watching.